In this video, we will show you how to replace your instrument cluster lens on this Lincoln Navigator. This will be located directly behind your steering wheel. Let's get into it. Alright friends, let's get started on our job. Put the key in the on position and put your vehicle in neutral with the emergency brake on. Now we'll continue on to removing the plastic panel that comes right around your steering column. For this, we'll use a plastic trim tool. Carefully get under this area and gently pry it away. Once you've done one side, continue and do the same on the other side of the steering column. With that separated, we can remove this from the vehicle. There's that, set it aside. Now we'll continue on removing this panel that comes across in front of the gauge cluster lens. On this, you'll find that you have three 7mm headed bolts to remove. Remove all three. Now let's make our way down inside this area. For this, you're going to find that you have two screws on this side. On this side, we only want to remove the outboard screw. We'll remove this, continuing with our 7mm. Now we'll make our way over to the other side of the steering column. On this side, you'll find that you have three 7mm headed screws. Only remove the two outboard ones. Now we'll continue on to removing the trim panel using our plastic trim tool. Keep in mind that you do still have wiring to each of your switches. Now we'll take this and rest it aside, being careful not to damage our wiring. Now we have clear access to our lens. On this, you'll find that you have 7 5.5mm screws holding it in place. Remove all of them. Take hold of the lens, remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, now it's time to install our brand new lens. When you do this, you want to make sure you have it in the proper placement, so you have this area protruding towards you. With that in place, continue on by starting in each of your 7 5.5mm headed screws. Now that they're all started, let's bottom them out. These do not need to be very tight. You don't want to crack the plastic. Now, once you have that in place, continue on to reinstalling your trim panel across the front. Carefully align everything. Press it into place. Continue on to installing your 6 7mm headed screws. 3 along the bottom, 3 along the top. Now we can install this trim piece. Along the back side, you'll find that you have 4 locking tabs, and on the dash, you have 4 slots for them to fit into. Align it and press it into position. Make sure that's secure as well. All right, we've got the vehicle back together. Let's put it in park, remove the key, and disengage the e-brake. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.